Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Prezi Dwi Fatra. My student ID is F1021251046. Today I want to present my midterm test talking about my experience using ChatGPT to support my general learning and English learning. First, like many other people, I use ChatGPT as an AI tool in my daily learning. I usually use it when I study at home or when I want to learn something new. For example, when I don't understand a lesson from my class, I try to ask ChatGPT to explain it in a simple way. Sometimes the explanation from book is too difficult, so ChatGPT help me understand better. I also use it when I have free time, not only for school, but also to learn something new that I'm curious about. For me, learning with ChatGPT feel more flexible and not too stressful. ChatGPT help me ask questions about things that feel unclear or confusing in my mind. Sometimes I have many questions and ChatGPT help me understand them step by step. For example, if I still don't understand the first answer, I can ask again using different words. I can repeat this many times until I really understand. This is very helpful because in real class sometimes I feel shy or there is not enough time to ask many questions. For example, I use it to understand a complex concept such as religion, solve problems, and explore the facts that are not commonly known by most people. It makes difficult topic easier for me to understand that I see on social media but I don't understand. From that I can get new insight and new information, so learning becomes more interesting and meaningful. One ad- of the advantage of ChatGPT is that it does not have feeling, so I can ask anything freely without feeling embarrassed or afraid. I feel more comfortable asking questions here than asking other people sometimes. For example, when when I feel shy to ask my teacher or my friend, I can just ask to ChatGPT without thinking too much. This make this make me more confident to ask questions and to learn actively. ChatGPT also help me learn English independently. I can learn by myself anytime and anywhere without teacher guidance. For example, I can study at night, in the morning, or whenever I have free times. I don't need to wait for class or the other people. This helped me become a more independent learner and take responsibility for my own learning. I can learn new vocabulary from ChatGPT. When I find new word, I can ask the meaning and also see example of how to use them in the sentence. Sometimes I also ask for synonym or similar word so I can learn more vocabulary. At the same time, then I try to make my own sentence so I can remember the word better and use them in a real situation. I also learn about phrase structure, such as the difference between adverb and verb. and adjective and adverb. ChatGPT helped me understand these basic grammar rules step by step. Grammar is sometimes difficult for me, but ChatGPT explained it is in a simple and clear way. Because of that, I can slowly improve my grammar and understand English more clearly. Even though sometimes ChatGPT can make a mistake, I still get a general idea of how things work. From there, I can understand better and try to improve my learning. So I don't fully depend on ChatGPT. I still try to check information from other sources like book, website, and my teacher. This helped me become more carefully and critical in learning. From this experience, I feel more confident to learn English and study independently using AI. I think this tool is very helpful for students like me, especially for beginners who are still sorry, learning step by step. It makes learning easier, more flexible, and more interesting. I really enjoy practicing speaking with ChatGPT because it can follow the topic that I can talk about. It can also answer all my questions in my doubt. It feels like I am talking to someone. So I can practice my speaking more naturally. This helped me become more confident when I try to speak in English. However, sometimes it is little difficult because I have a limitation to practice speaking more deeply because I'm not using the premium version, and sometimes the responses is a bit slow, so I can it can waste sometimes. Because of this, sometimes I have to wait for the answer and it makes the conversation less smooth. This can reduce my focus when I'm practicing speaking. What I find interesting in ChatGPT can give very detailed and clear information about the topic. It means the system works very fast to collect and organize information in a short time. Because of that, I can learn many things while practicing speaking at the same times. This makes my speaking practice more effectively and useful. One thing that is less helpful is when ChatGPT sometimes gives answers that are not always correct or not very accurate. For example, when I ask about grammar, the explanation can be a little confusing or too general. I still feel the answer. Also, sometimes the answer is too long or a bit slow, so it makes the conversation less natural. Because of that, I still need to check the information again to make sure it is correct. In my opinion, in the future, I will still use ChatGPT for speaking practice. ChatGPT can act like a real person, so my speaking sound more natural, even though sometimes it feel like a machine. But overall it is very helpful, especially for beginners who need more practice. This is very helpful for people who find it difficult to socialize with ChatGPT. They can practice speaking without feeling afraid or nervous. They don't need to worry about making mistake or being judged by others. If they keep practicing, it can also help build their their confidence step by step. I think this is very important for improving speaking skill, especially for student like me. Maybe this is all from my presentation. Thank you for watching the videos and see you in the next videos. Thank you.